Okay, and then I'm now currently teaching in private school. So my teaching experience is around 12 to 13 years already. So quite familiar with the KSSM new syllabus and the KBSM old syllabus. Okay, and then I'm focused in maths and maths only. Okay, so can I know that in your school whether the school teacher teach you all in English or in Bahasa Melayu or not?
English.
English. So
Yeah.
three of you all in English, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're very sure to take a science stream already, right? For Form 4.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. So for mathematics, for maths and mathematics, basically it's the subject that you need to practice. So throughout the lessons here, so I need you to give me response. So whenever you don't understand or you feel like I'm talking too fast or too slow, you need to give me some response. Let me know whether the speed is okay or not, the method is okay or not, or even if I made any mistake during the lessons, then you can point out directly. Is that okay? So it's a discussion, two-way discussions between I and you to work out. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we will do the recording for our admin purpose, and I'll share my screen now. Okay, so for the maths first chapter, it is about function. Okay, so have you heard about function before this?
No. No.
No. Okay. So basically, function in Bahasa Melayu is fungsi, and then function is actually talking about relationship between two numbers. Okay. So for example, if I have 2 and 4, we can define their relationship, right? Whether it is 2 plus 2 equals to 4 or 2 times 2 equals to 4. So how can 2 become 4? That chemical happen between them, we call them a function. Okay. So function is defined as the relationship between two numbers. Okay. So for example here, hold on, sorry, I'm not a bit messy. Okay. So for example, okay, can see what I write, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So if you not feel comfortable to unmute yourself and talk, then you can type in the chat to respond also, yeah? Okay. So for function, we talk about the relationship between two numbers. So the first number and the second number, normally we write like this one. Okay. The first number, we call them object. The second number, we call them image. Okay. Sometimes it will call the first number domain and the second number codomain. Okay. If the relationship is one-way one. Okay. So we call this one-to-one relationship. One-to-one relation. Okay, right? If we have something like this, object, yeah, and then image. If we have something like this, different object pointing to the same image. So this one, we call it many to one relation. Okay. Okay, the third relationship, it will be something like this. This is object. This is image. Okay. One object pointing to one or more than one image. Okay, this one we call it one to many relation. Okay. Okay. The fourth is very complicated relation. You have something like this lah, one to many, and also many to one. You see, one to many. The first one is one to many, and then the bottom one got many pointed to one also. So if you have this kind of complicated one, then we say it is many to many relation. Is that okay?
Okay.
For the first part, yeah. So I repeat again, yeah. Okay, so for the relationship between the object and the image, we have 4 types only. Okay, first one is simple one, direct one-to-one relation. Normally the question will ask you what is the type of relation, and 1 mark lah. Okay, what is the type of relation between these two functions, between these two number? Okay, so first one, direct one, you see straight line, horizontal one, this is one-to-one relation. Okay, if it is many pointed to one image, this is many to one. Okay, if you have like one number to different image, this is one to many. Okay, if you see complicated one, then many to many relation. Okay, right? Okay, 4 types, yeah. Okay, when we say it is a function, okay, it must be a one-to-one relation and also many to one relation. Okay, these two is a function. These two relation, we call them function. Okay or not?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we see the questions, yeah. Okay, here. Okay, question number 1, exercise number 1. Okay, determine whether each of the following relation is a function or not. Give your reason. Okay, so for example, there is given this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 pointed to A, B, C, D. Okay, so what kind of relation is this? What kind of relation is this? One to one, one to many, many to one. Okay, many to one, correct? Okay, because you have 3 and 4 here pointed to 1, right? Okay, so many to one relation. Okay, is many to one relation a function? Yes, because 1 to 1 and many to one only. These two relation will form the function. Okay, so you answer the question like this relation is a function because each object has only one image. Or you can say that because the relation is many to one relation. You get what I mean? Okay.
Understand.
Okay. Then question number 1, how do you answer it? What type of relation is this?
One to many.
Okay, one to many. Is it a function?
No.
No. Because we can say because each object has more than one image. Okay, this one object has 2 images. So this is not a function. Okay, how about number 2?
It's a one-to-one relation.
Okay, it's a one-to-one relation. Okay, and then is it a function?
Yes.
Okay,
It's
it's a
because
function.
each object has one image.
Yes, correct. Each object has one image. Understand my writing, huh?
Understand.
Okay, very good. Okay, so how about number 3?
My answer would be many to many.
Okay, many to many, correct? Is it a function?
No.
No, because
Because
each object has...
each object has more than one image.
Yeah, correct. How about number 4? Many to?
One.
Only? Okay, many to one. Why one voice only? The rest of you?
I'm not answering.
Yeah, lah, try lah. Aiyo. Kai Huang, try.
Which number 5?
Yeah, number 4. Many to one because it's a function or not?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, because?
because it only have one image.
Yeah, correct. Because each object has one image. Emily, number 5? Emily, do you want to say? Ken also, you type many to one, okay? And then it's a function or not? Not a function. Reason? Yes or no? You type not a function and then yes. So choose one. Okay, yes, it's a function because one object got one image. Yeah, correct. Okay, huh? Okay, then we proceed to the next one. Okay, if you have something like graph, okay, normally the question won't ask you to draw graph, don't worry. Okay, for this chapter only. Okay, so normally when you have graph and then the question asks you determine whether each of the following graph is a function or not. So we have a method, we call it a vertical line method. Tested it with vertical line. Vertical line, that means a straight line. So you can draw a straight line. You imagine you have a straight line like this. Why I cannot edit? Okay, hold on. Hang. Okay. 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 Imagine you have a vertical line. Okay, you move the vertical line forward and backwards. Go through the graph. Okay. If during the movement the vertical line only hit one line one dot, then it will be a function. So for a circle like this, when you move this vertical line back and forth, you are actually hitting more than 1 point at the same time, right? So this one is not a function. Okay?
I think I understand.
Okay. So this is vertical line testing methods. Okay. How about question number 2? Is it a function?
I think no,
Okay, not a function.
because still we hitting two
Yeah.
point.
Yeah, you were hitting 2 points. Okay. How about the next one? Sabar, yeah? A bit lagging. Okay, for this graph, number 3, is it a function? Kai Huang? Oh, Emily say no. No, Emily, this is number 2, is it? Okay. Kai Huang first. Is this a function?
No.
Wait. Vertical line. You see the vertical line?
Oh, must draw the vertical line.
Yeah, you need to imagine. No need to draw lah. You imagine there is a vertical line there, and then you move the vertical line to the left hand side and to the right hand side. So every time when you move it, how many points it hits the graph?
2.
One.
But the x, the x.
The x doesn't count. X is the axis. You see the graph only, the V-shaped graph only.
Okay.
So every time when you move, it's like hitting 1 point at the same time only, right? So this is a function.
Okay.
Okay. So number 4, Emily? No. How about number 5, Emily? Yes, it is a function because this one you're hitting 1 point at the same time only. Okay, right? Okay.
Yeah.
If you accidentally forget this method, you can think it this way. Okay. Choose whatever you feel comfortable to memorize it. Okay. So okay. X is actually the object, right? Y is the image, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
For every one object, we'll have only one image. This is the theory. One object will have only one image, then it is a function. So when you see this one, every one object here, you have only one image. One object, one image only. Okay, so this is a function. But then for the circle like this one, when you have one object here, one value of x, you will have two value of y. So this is not a function. 1x, you will get 2y. So this is not a function.
I see.
I see. Okay, so you choose whichever method that you feel like more comfortable with for you and then easy to remember. Okay, so 1x must be 1y only, then it will be a function. Okay, no problem, huh?
Currently, no.
Okay. Oh, already learned, is it?
No.
Okay. Now you learn. Okay, good. Okay, next part. Okay, let's learn more words here. Wording. Okay. This is one of the way for us to plot the relation between the object and also the image. So as I say just now, you can call this one object, image, or domain, codomain. Okay, if I have value here, I will need to write it with the dots. So like 1 with dot, 2 with dot, 3 with dot. And then for the image here, also the same. Write the value with dot before it. For example, it wrote there 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so write them with dot. And then if it join like this one, that means 1 will map to 4. 1 has relationship with 4. 2 met with 8, that means 2 has relationship with 8. 3 met with 12, 3 have relationship with 12. Okay, so try to guess 1 become 4, 2 become 8, 3 become 12. What will be their relationship?
Times 4.
Times 4, correct. Times 4 is their relationship. So normally for you to remember it easier, the object normally is x value, right? Image normally is y value, right? How do you get y? You times 4 with x. So 4x equals to y. This is the function. All right?
Okay.
Okay. So normally the question will ask you, what are the domain here? So you need to write something like this. Domain is a group of number. So you need to have the twisting bracket. Domain is a group of number where you contain 1, 2, and 3 in the domain. So close it with the twisting bracket also. So you group them together in the brackets. That is a group of number. So that is the group of domain also. Okay. Codomain would be all the number in the second group here, which is 4, 8, 4, 6. 4, 6,
4, 6, and 12.
8, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12.
All of them.
All of them. Okay.
Okay.
So for range is the number that involve only. So which is 4, 8, and 12. Can see the difference between the codomain and also the range, yeah? Okay. Some of students will get confused easily with the codomain and the range. Codomains is all the numbers inside the Y, okay, inside the image. Yeah. And then for range will be the number involved.
Selected.
Yes. Okay. No problem, huh?
Mm.
Okay, this is the first method to plot the function. Second method to plot the function is by this one. Like this. 1, 2, 3 for the x, where this is the object. Okay, and then the image will be the y-axis there. Okay, you will have 4, 6. Okay, 2, 4, too small. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so you plot the object at the horizontal line, the image at the vertical line. Okay, so the relationship is 1 to 4, 2 to 8, and 3 to 12, right? So 1 to 4, you will have a dot there. 2 to 8, you have another dot there. Then 3 to 12, another dot again. You get what I mean, huh? Okay, this is another method to plot the image and the object. Hold on. Okay.
Okay.
Second
Okay.
method. Okay, the third method to write them, write the relation is like this one. First, 1 to 4. Second, 2 to 8. The third one is 3 to 12. Okay.
Oh, the coordinates thing.
Yes. The notation, what notation already? Yeah, forgot the name.
Coordinates?
Coordinates, yeah, kind of like coordinates. Even though you plot in the graph like this, it's like a coordinates also. The x value and the y value. The x value first, the y value.
Okay.
Okay, okay, let's see the question, huh? Okay, question number 1. Domain, codomain, and range. What are the domains here?
7, 5, and -5.
Yeah, codomain.
Codomain 49, 30, 25, and 24.
Yes, and then range.
49 and 25.
Yeah, 49, 25. Okay, next person. Kai Huang.
4, 3, 2, -3, -4.
Yes, codomain.
16, 12, 9, 8, 4.
Yeah, correct. Range.
16, 9, 4.
Yes. Okay, question number 3, Emily. Hold on. Oh, today my pet is not so corporate. Okay, Emily, number 3, domain are?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, correct. Oh, your voice so cute. Codomain?
A, B, C.
Yeah, A, B, C. Okay, range will be? A, B, C. Yeah. Range will be?
A, B, C.
You don't need to repeat A, B, and C only.
Okay.
Okay, easy, huh? Okay, next one. Okay, number 4. Zhen Xuan, is it?
Yes. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D, correct. And then codomain?
P, Q.
PQ. Okay, the repeated one you don't need to write twice. So the range will be?
Also PQ.
PQ, correct. Kai Huang, sorry. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I very laggy. Yeah.
My part is laggy. I think it's not your screen laggy.
Oh,
Okay, what are the domain
okay.
here?
-1, 0,
Yeah.
2,
Yes. Codomain?
-1, 0, 8.
Yeah. Range? The one involved. So you have a dot
-1.
here. Yeah, -1.
0, 2.
-1, 0, and 8.
Wait.
Codomain.
Sorry.
Yeah, codomain is the image. Don't worry, it's my part lagging. Okay. Zhen Xuan. No, Kai Huang. Emily first. Sorry, Emily now. Ayo, 3 of you. Your name make me confused now. Emily, domain.
-1, 0, 2.
Yes.
Codomain 0, 3, 4.
Yes. Range?
Range 0, 3, 4.
4. Yes. No problem, ah? Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, next part. Mm. Now come to calculation. Okay, when we have a function, normally it will write fx equals to something. So for example, our relation just now, 4x equals to y, right? Okay, so normally they don't write the y, they write the fx equals to 4x. Okay, the fx is actually same with y. Sometimes they write it as y, sometimes they will write it as fx. Y, f, and x here, the f refers to the function. So normally it's like this one. This is fx, this is x, the function is f. Okay, why fx here? Because the x into this equation, you will get the answer. So the answer, they write it as fx. Okay, so function when you substitute the x. Okay, so if I have fx equals to 4x, then if I tell you the object is 2, so that means the x value is 2. So that means it will become f2 equals to 4, 2. Then equals to 8. You get what I mean?
Yes.
Yes, huh? Okay, so sometimes it will write the fx equals to something, or sometimes the question might write fx, and then, sorry, is f dot dot x. It will write dot dot x, and then with the arrow. This one is actually same symbol with this one. F bracket x equal. These two are
Just to
the
make
same
it more
symbols.
confusing lah.
Yeah. Sometimes the question asked may make you feel confused and then test whether you understand or not law. Okay. But it's the same thing. Okay. So try this question. Can see, right? 1 to 5 there. Okay. Try to find the value for each of them. Write down on a piece of paper, do some calculation. Let me know when you have done. If you don't understand, you ask. Yeah.
The x equals to 5, just substitute into the 3, right?
Yeah, correct. So
X
you
of-
write something like this, f bracket 5 equal 3, 5 plus 2.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. If you write hx, that means the relation is defined as h only. It's the same with the f, doesn't matter. Settle.
Oh, yeah, done already.
Done already. Emily and Zhenshen.
Wait a bit. I need a little bit more time.
Okay. You all like maths, is it?
No.
No. But you all grab the concept very fast, well, out of my expectation. How's your score in your PT3? I mean, although you don't have a real one, but what do you think about maths?
I guess okay lah.
Okay lah. Compared to other subject, is it maths an easier subject for you?
Not easiest, but it's much more easier than history, that's for sure.
So you like those logical thing, calculation more than memorizing?
But then I like science more than maths. Oh.
You like science more than maths? Science and maths are brothers, okay?
I guess so lah.
Okay. How about Emily?
Yes.
Do you like maths?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So
Yeah.
maths is an easier subject for you also lah?
Not really.
No, not really.
But still okay.
Still okay. Okay. So what are the subjects do you like most?
I like science the most
Science.
and English. Science, English, and art.
English. Science, English, and art. Wow. Okay. Emily?
I like English,
Uh-huh.
history,
History. Okay. What else?
so on.
So on.
Details.
Yeah. Oh, she muted. I hate history. I hate English. Okay, never mind. Kai Shen, settle. Kai Huang, settle.
Yeah, settled already.
Settle already. Okay. Guys, tell me the answer. What do you get for number 1?
17.
17, 2,
5,
5, 3,
Got
6,
6.
6. Okay. Then number 4,
Negative 2.
negative 2. Number 5,
4.
4.
7.
Tak ada masalah ya. Easy, huh? Okay. So
Easy lah, but it's not hard.
easy, but it's not hard. You won't
No.
say it is easy, but it is not that hard.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now I want you to check your working. The way of you write your working, it is something matter, yeah. Okay, so for example, I take number 5 as an example, yeah. If you have like hx arrow to the equation, so you need to write h bracket and then replace the number. Then equals to 3 plus 5 over 3 minus 1. So don't write something like hx and then 3 plus 5, 3 minus 1. Don't write something like this. If the bracket, if something in here you change, then you have to change these two at the same time also. You get what I mean?
Yes.
Yes. So check back your working. Make sure you change all the x at the same time. All right? Okay. This is the important thing when you do the working. Okay.
Or else they'll count it as false, right?
Yes. They will deduct mark for that part. Okay. Next one, challenging a bit. Okay, so for example, okay, you have the fx equals to 2x minus 5. Find the object, that means find the value of x when the image is 1, when fx is 1. Okay, so when it says that the object, that means it refers to the x value, and then the image, it refers to the fx, yeah, the answer. All right, so it's like algebra lah. Try to solve all these 5 questions.
Number 4, the
Mhm.
x equals 0 thing is kind of confusing.
X equals 0.
Not equal lah,
Oh.
the
It just say that the bottom one never equals to 0. When we have a equation, right, 2 over 0, if you press in your calculator, you will get math error, undefined.
yes.
So it just say that the x value shouldn't be 0.
Okay.
So yeah, so your equation is still the x plus 8 over x only.
Okay.
Finish, right? Or still doing?
Oh, done already.
Okay, tell me the answer. Emily, number 1 and 4.
Number 1, answer is 4.
4.
Uh.
Okay. Yeah, wait, hold on. I closed my answer already. Sabar. You got 4. And then number 4, you get?
Number 4, I get 4.
4. Two of them also 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Kai Huang? Kai Huang, not yet done?
Oh, sorry, I forgot I had muted. Okay. Number two, 5.
5, correct. Number 5.
Number 5 is 1.5.
1.5, correct. You can write also 3 over 2. You can write also 1 over 2.
Okay, good.
Okay, next one. Zhenshan, number 3.
Number 3, I gotten 1.
No. Any other answer? The last one, Emily, is it? Number 3. Emily and Kai Huang, you got the same answer for number 3?
8, I get.
Okay, you get 8. Yeah, 8 should be the correct one.
Okay.
Okay, huh? So when you have, it says that 6 is the image, so 6 equals to x plus 4 over 2. Check back whether you got careless or not. It should be times, right? So 12, don't write the 8. And then x plus 4.
Oh,
So, yeah. So you get 8. Okay? Okay, one more questions, guys. Number 6.
What does it mean to express f in terms of x?
That means you need to write out the equation, the fx equals to something. So you need to think on your own, how can 1 become 1, and then 5 becomes 0 0.2, and then the 20 becomes 0 0.05.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Finish?
No.
Okay. The clue is the 0 0.2 is 1 over 5, right? You change it to fraction. 0 0.05, it will be 1 over 20, right?
Mm.
Mm. Then.
I don't know.
Okay, never mind. We discuss now. Sebab saya bosan. Okay, number 6a. It says that form the function, right? So fx equals to? Anyone? Any idea? You see, how can 1 become 1? It's actually 1 over 1, right? You see the object are all at the bottom, right? Shoo, 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 shoo. So the fx will be, Emily got it, 1 over x, correct? Okay,
Okay.
Okay, so how about b? Find the value of h. H should be equals to?
It should be equals to 10, right?
10, correct. But how do you show the working? 1 over h equals to 0.1, no? So h equals to 1 over 0.1.
H equals 10.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. If set p represent all of the whole number, does every object has its image? What are whole number here? Whole number, that means all the numbers without decimal or not a fraction, right? So it includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? These are whole number. If P is all this whole number, that means does every object here has an image?
Whole number equals to 1 to those without 0.
With 0. 0 is a whole number as well. Include 0, whole number is including 0 also. So does all of them has the image? If it is integer, then integer got 0 also. 0 is a neutral number. Whole number includes 0. Okay. So does all these whole number has an image? You can try because you got the function already, right? You got the 1 over x already, right? So 1 over 0, 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. Will you have an image for all these?
No.
No. Why?
Because it's only for 1 over 5 and 1 over 20. Yeah.
Because if the bottom one is a whole number, you can find an answer, right? Except for 1 over 0. 1 over 0, when you type in your calculator, it shows you math error, undefined. Okay, so all the whole number will have an image for this function, except 1 over 0 will not give you will not give you an image for this function, because 1 over 0 is undefined.
Sure, can you explain everything again? Because I don't really understand.
Oh, it says that the set P is the object here, right? If the object is all the whole numbers, so just now I'm asking what are the whole number? Whole number start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all the whole number, right? -1, -2, -3 are whole number as well, right? Okay, so the question asks whether all the whole number will map to an image when you put it into the equation 1 over x. You get what I mean?
1 Why put in the equation 1 over x?
Because you have p here, set p to set q. Their function is fx. And then the fx you found is 1 over x, right? That means p, you substitute the number in p into the function here, you will get the answer as q, right? So that's how the question there, you have 5, it maps to 0.2. So when you substitute 5 here, you will get 0.2, right? If p are the whole number, if all these are whole number in p, so will all these whole number have an answer? The answer is no, because the 0 will not give you an answer. Because 0, when you substitute into this equation, put the 0 into this equation, you wouldn't get any answer.
Yeah, okay, understand.
Okay, huh?
Mm.
The rest of you okay, huh?
I guess so.
I guess so. Okay. Okay, but question this is. Okay. So next part of this, are you still okay right now? Can absorb more?
I guess so. Yeah, continue.
Can? Yes, so
Yeah.
okay. We do one more part, last part of this one. Okay. When you see modulus, do you still remember what does the modulus mean?
Yeah, no.
Do you still remember what does the modulus mean?
No.
No. When you have modulus 2, that means it is 2, right?
Okay.
When you have modulus -2, it will become 2 also, right?
Huh.
When
That's
you
it.
have, hello? When
What,
you
what
have,
is what?
yeah, modulus is that symbol. You see the two, these two slash symbol.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
one we call it modulus. So
0.5
whatever number in 0.5, it will become 0.5 also. 0.5 modulus, it will become 0.5 also. Negative 0.5 modulus, you'll get 0.5 also. So no matter what number inside the modulus, the outcome, the final answer will be the positive number.
Oh, the
Okay,
origin.
right?
Okay, okay, understand.
The origin. That is modulus. So for example, you have this one, you have a function fx equals to modulus 2x minus 3. And then it says that find the object. So that means find x when the fx equals to 7. So when the final answer is 7, it means that it may be -7, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I can say that the 2x minus 3 equals to 7, or 2x minus 3 equals to -7.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
how you will get two answers at the end. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so for example, this one, it is given that fx equals to modulus 3x, find the object. So that means find x when the fx is 12. So that means the 3x can be positive 12, or the 3x can be the -12. Okay, so from here you will get x equals to 4, x equals to -4. You have two answers. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Try. 4 questions. The example of the working are at the side here. Finish. Feel like you all battery low already. Still doing or finish already?
I'm done already.
Done already.
Mm.
Done also. Everyone done. Okay. Okay. Question number 2. What do you get?
Question number 2, I got 5 or -1.
Yeah, correct. 5 or -1. Number 3.
I got 2 or -3.
Yeah, correct. Number 4.
Want me to answer other?
Can you answer lah.
Okay lah, 7 or -2.
Yeah. Number 5.
Number 5 is weird.
Mm-hmm.
It's not exactly. The
Mm-hmm.
first one I got is 4.5 and the second one is
4.5.
Yeah, this is why I say it's not accurate lah. Because
Okay.
4.5 will get 6.25 instead of 6.
Okay, how do you do?
Hmm.
How do you do? 3x minus 1 over 2 equals to
Is 6.
6. Or you say 3x minus 1 over 2 equals to -6, right? So
Yes.
after that, you do move this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
3x minus 1 equals to?
Very no idea what really. Wait.
Mm-mm.
Oh Lord, now I confuse myself already.
I heard a very soft voice saying 12. Is it?
Emily, was that you?
Emily, help. How to continue to solve? Hey, Emily or Kai Huang? Oh, Emily wrote there. Okay, when you have like 6, 7, and 3, 3, right? Don't leave it at 2 decimal place only. Emily, how do you get the answer? Can you continue from here? 3x minus 1 equals to 12, then how do you do?
Um, 12 plus 1.
Okay, so 3x equals to 12 plus 1.
Yeah.
3x equals to 13. X equals to?
So 13 over 3.
Yeah, 13 over 3. You can leave your answer in this one, or you can write your answer 4.333, 3 decimal place at least. You get what I mean? Huh? For at maths, 3 decimal place. Okay, so for the next one, the 3x minus 1 equals to -6 times 2, right? And then what do you get?
I get negative 12.
Okay, and then 3x equals to?
3x, so negative, the negative one move to -12. Then,
Yeah.
So we'll get negative 13.
Okay, you will get negative 13.
Negative 11.
Yeah, negative 11 plus 1, yeah?
Uh.
Negative 11. So x equals to?
Negative 11 over 3.
Yeah, or you can write negative 3.667, 3 decimal place. But normally when you have like this non-exact value, right, you better leave it in fraction. You get what I mean? Okay. So now I'm posting a link. Hold on. Okay, let's do some last checking. I'll post a link in the chat and then you join the quizzy. Sabar. I'm copying the link. Mhm. Okay, you can see the link, right? Okay, join Quizzy. Can join or not?
Yeah.
Mhm. Why I see nobody here?
I see Taiwan and myself on.
Yeah.
Let me refresh. Emily join. I see 2% only.
Emily.
Quite easy question. Don't do careless mistake, guys. Hey. Emily, where are you?
Of student.
Oh, I start first.
Okay.
Emily, you still can join one. No, I think my connection's lagging. Emily got problem logging in?
Wait.
Teacher, I joined already.
You joined already?
Yeah.
Okay. My computer lagging, huh? I don't see you. Okay.
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
for the first question, my answer is not there.
Hmm?
I need paper for this.
Oh, okay. Okay. Why got so many wrong? Oh, so sad. Huh? Is it my answer wrong? Maybe, yeah. We check later.
Okay.
My questions got mistake.
Oh.
That's why you all got so many wrong.
Function. This is a one-to-many. No, it's many to one and one to one.
Many to one and one to one is function.
Who is the fourth student?
Fourth student is someone you know also.
That's suspicious. Okay.
She's in the call also.
Someone I know. Same school, different school.
Yeah. No longer in school.
Huh?
Yeah.
No longer in school.
Yeah.
It's either the
Someone
teacher
you.
itself, you, or another student.
Or
It's you.
No lah. I got 2 accounts there already, Qian Tan, right?
Someone I know, but not in my school.
Yeah. Oh wait, the person say you don't know her. Then I guess Emily and Kai Huang know. Zhenxuan, you're a new student, is it?
Yeah?
You're new to this tuition center, is it?
Yeah, today's my first class. Testing only, right?
And then Emily and Kai Huang know. They are ex-teacher.
Okay.
Today maybe overtime a little bit. I guess 2 more questions. Is there any question that you feel like is really, really hard?
Not really, but there are some really, really funny answers.
Actually, I grab it online one. Okay. Okay, one more questions. Go, go, go. Okay. Let's see the questions, yeah. Emily, Emily is the first one. Congratulations. Okay, let's see the questions. Okay, question number one, most of you got it correct. Can see the screen, huh? Vertical line testing, vertical line test. You still remember, right? You kind of like draw a vertical line and then scan through it. Okay, so for this one, you will get one point only when every time when you hit. So it is a function. Okay, right?
Yes.
Yes.
No
And
problem.
then this one, I think my questions got a problem. Okay, so how do you solve this one? F3, right? So equals to
2,
2,
3, this the
3.
bracket 3 and then minus 3.
Yeah, so you will get 3 as the final answer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one, my choices here is wrong. Okay. And then what happened to this one, huh? Got 2 incorrect here. -3, right? So fx equals to 2 plus -3 and then square outside. So when you press into a calculator, you should press 2 minus 3, then only you square, right? So you'll get -1 square. You should get 1 as the final answer. Is that okay for this one? Yep. Guys, okay, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was just making sure.
okay. Then how about this one? 2 incorrect also.
Which one?
Make the same mistake as the previous question, maybe.
Let
It
me
is, yeah, fx equals to 3, 6 minus -8 like this. Okay, so what do you get? 3, and then
I got 42.
42. Oh, final answer 42.
Ah,
Positive 42.
positive.
Okay. 42. So this one you will get 14, is it? Yeah. Then 42. Okay, huh? Okay. And then let's see, next one. This one, all of you got it correct. Okay, that's it. Okay, any problem so far for this one?
Not really.
Okay, so today we learn about how do you look at the functions, and then what are the object, image, domain, codomain, and range. And then we learn also how to substitute the value, the x value, into the equations, and then find the image. And then we learn also how to find the object with the given image. And then we learn about modulus also. It is actually quite a lot we have learned today. So if you have any questions, then you drop me a message or you can ask in the next lesson. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so do you want homework? It's a very hard question, is it?
Really hard to answer.
Okay, for our first lesson, I don't give homework first law, okay? But for the next lesson onwards, we do some homework every after lessons. Is that
Alright.
okay? All right.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, class. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Ciao.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, chair.
Thank you.
可以啦，可以啦，不吵你啦。
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.